Did you know that 77% of organizations report a critical leadership skill gap? Effective leadership can transform an entire organization's performance and potential. Organizations are struggling with significant management challenges. Ineffective leadership creates disconnected teams, reduces productivity, and leads to high employee turnover. Supervisors and managers find themselves overwhelmed, lacking the essential skills to motivate, communicate, and guide their teams effectively. This skills gap results in missed opportunities, decreased team morale, and organizational inefficiency. This comprehensive training program is designed to bridge the critical leadership and management skills gap. Participants will develop a robust toolkit of advanced leadership techniques, focusing on practical, immediately applicable skills. The course covers key areas including emotional intelligence, strategic communication, conflict resolution, team motivation, and effective decision-making. Through intensive, interactive modules, managers will learn to transform their leadership approach. You'll gain the ability to create high-performance teams, communicate with clarity and impact, and navigate complex workplace dynamics. The program goes beyond traditional management training, providing insights into building trust, inspiring team members, and driving organizational success. Participants will emerge with the confidence to lead more effectively, make strategic decisions, and create a positive workplace culture. The training empowers supervisors and managers to become true leaders who can motivate their teams, solve complex challenges, and drive meaningful organizational change. Your leadership potential is waiting to be unlocked. This is more than just a training course. It's a transformative journey that will redefine your approach to management. Don't let another opportunity pass you by. Take the first step towards becoming an exceptional leader. Enroll now and revolutionize your leadership capabilities.